Welcome to a new video, not just any video, this is my first video. So yeah, let's get the intros out the way. My name is Marian and I'm new to the TGC game. I'm just here to just open up boxes and collect some Pokemon cards. So yeah, let's get it started. So as you can see here, we have the new Rebel class set, and we have the figurine right here, purchased from Target. And right here we got the Polteageist V promo set. All these are purchased from Target, and I do have a couple more promo sets coming in, like the Rayquaza and Duraludon sets, and we have 4 more booster packs right here. Let's get that in focus. Alright, and sorry about the glare right here. Let's get that out the way. Put everything on the side for now. Let's get it with this one. There you go. Now yeah, this is actually the first set of cards I bought. I did buy some from Walmart. They're coming in, you know, with the situation. Shipping takes a while. So here it is right here. Beautiful. I'm not too big of a fan of Polteageist. I mean, I like the concept of it. Alright, so let's get this started. I'm gonna try to open up the box nice and clean. Okay, not too bad. What do we got here? Alright. Clean. Dude, I've been wanting, because I bought these yesterday on the release date, and I've been holding these so I can get a chance to record. But I got my setup going on. Sorry. There you go. How do we get this out? Alright. Let's go ahead and try to get the promo card out the box without oh, easy. Put all the trash inside. There you go, Polteageist. Nice holographic. There you go, full art, I mean, not holographic, but same on the back. Alright. Let's put off that to the side. And how do you oh my god, I just made a mess. GG. Well, there you go. But yeah, here's the jumbo card. Nice. Put that off to the side as well. Let's put that over here. No, put it over here. Oh, we do have the card right here. There's a little code. I'll let you guys take that. Honestly, don't know what these do. I think you just get an extra booster pack, right? I'll be watching other people and they just give out the code, so I might as well do the same. There we go. Alright, what did we get in here? We have 2 Rebel Clash packs, Steam Siege, and Sword and Shield. Okay, not bad. Just start off with the one that we don't want here, Steam Siege. I do not know what kind of cards these come in, or what comes in these packs. So I think, oh, here you go. Here's the code yet again. Alright, I think it's 3, right? Or 4. I don't know. Alright, I did it wrong. Whoop-de-doo. So we got Avalugg, Ninja Boy. Ooh, shiny as... You know what? I haven't said these names out loud in a cool minute, so when I'm trying to say it out loud... Let me try to get that in focus. There you go. Greedy Dice, Bergmite, Mareep. Let me try to get that in focus. Glink, Seedot, Boneyard, and Reverse Rare Fletchling. Okay, I can see why people don't like that thing. Cool. Alright, now we got Sword and Shield. I want to save the best for last. We're going to get to the Rebel Clash later. I'm sorry for my shaky hands. I actually have a slight case of tremors. So it's not because I'm nervous or anything, so just bear with me if you see my hand shaking a lot. Alright, ooh, I already saw that Sinisty. Alright, we got the cards right here with the code. Oops. There you go. It's good enough. 1, 2, 3, 4. If this is the energy in front, then... Oh, fine. We got it. Pokemon Center Lady. Energy Removal. Ferrothorn. Sinisty. Of course we'll get that. Wooloo. Shelder. Krogunk. Silicobra. Dugtrio. And Cinccino. Alright, no good pulls yet, but we'll see. I'm sorry, I'm getting used to this. This is my first video, so just bear with me. Focus, man, I swear. I should probably put this in like manual. Alrighty. So, discard. Boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I just want at least 1 or 2 pulls out of everything we got here, right? At least 2. I don't have high hopes. This is my first time. Water energy. Charge bug. Metapod. Burning scarf. Pawnage. Impidimp. Magmar. Electabuzz. Squovet. Applin, reverse rare. Cool. And ooh! Full art Malamar. Nice! Yeah, I did hear the pulls on this set was pretty good, and as of now, we could confirm that. This is looking nice. Malamar, nice. First pull. Alright, last one for that set. We got 4 more, I believe. We got 1 more set, then 4 more booster packs. Boy, this is difficult. Alright, let me see. I don't want to look at the first card. JK, I have no choice. I can't open this. Alright, we got the card right here. Or the code, I mean. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, another fire. 2 for 2. Alright, more Pico. Capacious Bucket. Horror energy. Oh, wow, horror. So scary. Magmar. Yamask. Surskip. Stuffle. Coughing. Cramorant. Reverse rare. Nice. And Magmortar. Okay. Alright, 1 pull from that. Not bad, not bad. Alright, so we have the pack over here. Let's see what we can do. Let's open up 2. Yeah, I have 1 of each cover art, but I don't know if it's gonna be the same inside these, so let's check it out. Actually, let's make this look all pretty before we start. There you go. Let's see if it matches. Alright, never mind then. It doesn't match, god damn it. That's all good. Alright, let's get it popping. Alright, here's the code for that. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, metal or steel, I don't know. But we got Beware, Speed Energy, Pelipper, Hatina, Scyther, Classic, Nosepass, Wingull, Coughing, Shulkle Reverse Rare, and a Barraskewda. Oh man. Alright. Hold on, let me get a chair real quick. If you see how I'm sitting, it's not that comfortable. I'm on the floor right now and I just have a tabletop so I can get this top-down view. Alright, sorry about that. Oh, right, this is better, this is better. And we said 1 more, right? So let's get one of these ones out the way. It's Toxapex, wrong. I meant Toxtricity. Let's get that in view. There we go. We did it, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, let's do it. Code. Voila, that's for you guys. Hey. What's that for? This for. Alright, let's get it going. Fire energy yet again. God damn, 3 for 4. 3 for 4. Horror energy, we've seen that. Heatmore, Morpeko, Litwick, Shinx, Roly Poly, Applin, Athena, Scyther. I feel like we had these already. Oh, this reverse word, okay. And a Vikavolt holographic. Looking nice. Alright, let's save these 2 booster packs for last and let's get opening to the other pack. Right here. Now I love this figurine. And the promo card too. I like how it's all the starters and then Pikachu. Cute. Alright, let's open this. Go. Now let's see if we can open this all nice and pretty. Toss that off to the side. Wait. There you go. Let's take a look at that figurine. It's right over here. Aw, this is cute. I like this. Aw, hold on. There's something wrong over here. If we take a close look at Sobble's eye, it's like not aligned with the imprint. I don't know if you guys can see that. I like this figurine. I'm glad that's my first one. Alright, let's put that down. Let's check out that promo card. Now, I do not know how to get this out nice and pretty. You're just, oh, okay. There you go. Now I love the starters in the background. If only this was full art. You know, without the yellow borders, that would look nice. Nicer, actually. But I love it. I don't know if that's in focus. Can't see you guys. Alright, let's put that down. And let's see what other packs this came with. We got 2 Rebel Clash packs, alright. Sun and Moon Guardian Rising. I haven't heard that one. I haven't seen any unpacking. Cosmic Eclipse, okay, I've seen that one. And what are these? Hold on. Yeah, I don't know. That's for you guys. So let's get rid of Guardian Rising. I heard Cosmic Eclipse was a good one. Alright, now I don't know. I believe it's 3 still. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's see if that's still right. Alright, Machoke looking strong. Altar of the Moon. Choice Band. Gothita. Now I really don't like the designs or the illustrations for the clays. They're like my least favorite. These ones and the what is it? With the little plushies, I think. Oops. Corvana. Cottony. Bell Sprout. Marini, ooh. And Drampa. Aha. Cool. Nothing big. We only got 1 big pull for now out of how many packs was that? 8? I can't do 10. 12. Oh, we got 12 in total. Rebel Clash, we have 8. We have 8 Rebel Clash. Oops. Dude, I am tripping right now. Bear with me, you guys, first video. I'm trash. Well, I don't know if you guys can see that. Hold on. Alrighty, there we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think this is Cosmic Eclipse, right? Ooh, energy. God damn it, I saw it. Floette. Roxy. Roxanne. Herder. Magnemite. EVA. Flabebe. Sneasel. Not 2. Ooh, what is this? Reverse Rare, Chaotic Swell, and a Lowland Persian GX. Cool art. Oh, that's a good pull. What is that, Cosmic Eclipse? Nice. And we got the 2 Rebel Clash. This is what we're waiting for, ladies and gentlemen. Here's a code for y'all. Good luck with it. Now, someone can comment, like, I believe it's extra booster packs online, but I'm not too sure. So if you can just comment what those are for, then that'll be a great help. 4. Water. Agua. Turffield Stadium. Lumbre. Halucha. Let me get closer, I'm sorry, guys. Wingle. Natu. Barboach. Squalbit. Applin. Reverse Rare Galarian. And, ooh, Sandaconda V. Nice. I've seen people pull this a lot, but this is my first one, so... I mean, everything here is my first one, right? A Mao. Nice. I love the holographics and the full arts. Alright. Yup. Now there's the last pack from that little figurine collection. Let's see if we can end it with a bang. The code for y'all. Bada bing, bada boom. Get that focus. There we go. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. And Psychic. Training Court. Dual Blade. Bronzong. Corsola. Now, dude, this looks so sad. This man has been clapped. Litwick, Shinx, Roly-Coly, Applin, Dual Blade Reverse Holographic, and Double V. Okay, the pulls are not bad. Nice, looking clean. All right, now we got the last two right here. Now, as I said, I do have, I believe, 20 more packs coming in the mail. I bought it from Walmart, but the shipping's gonna take a while. I said it'll be here within like next week. But I did try to buy some more from Target and Walmart, and I don't know what happened, but I think they're out of stock. For Walmart, yeah, they only had booster packs left. I was trying to buy some more, what is it? The promo cards with Rayquaza and Duraludon. But the one with Duraludon's all out, and they only had Rayquaza, so I'm like, alright, I'll just buy that online. But yeah, I have a total of 10 packs coming in. Here's the code. Sorry, I'm rambling. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alrighty. Dark. Luxio. I'm not really a fan of this kind of illustration art. Ooh, Draclo. Dude, if we get a Dragapult, I'll be happy. Bronzong. Galarian Mr. Mime. Caterpie. Barboach. Arrokuda. Stuffle. Chatot! Reverse rare. Nice, and let's see what we got here. Scissor. Damn. Alright, let's get that last pack match again real quick. I didn't even check the art for the last one. Let's see what this is. Inteleon. Alright. Now, Inteleon is my least favorite out of the starters. Like, I was a fan of its first evolution, but then when you've seen that third evolution, I was just like, come on, man. What is going on? I'm a grookey gang. But in terms of competitive play online, yeah, Inteleon is actually not bad. But I would rather go with Cinderace. Oops. Alright, last pack magic, ladies and gentlemen. Alright, that's the code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fighting. Alright. Scoop up net. Heracross. Electrode. Darumaka. Hatina. Scyther. Nosepass. Wingull. Dude, I don't even know how to pronounce the name. Renegrius? Reverse rare. And let's see if we can end it off with the bang. We did not, but it's Appleton holographic. Okay, we didn't get this one yet. Alright. So let's go ahead and see the pulls we got here. We didn't get too many. I mean, out of the packs we got, here we go. We got Double V. Nice. At least we hit my expectations. I was only expecting 2 pulls. Sandaconda V. I can't even read it. Sand Eater and Sand Breath. Alolan Persian. Now the Meowth variants of every region are not too big of a fan. They should just stop. Like the Galar Meowth or Berserker, I mean, not that great. This one with the round ass head, I'm not a fan of that either. Oh, and the promo card, Pikachu. Yep. On Malamar VMAX. Oh man, this is the one. Even though Malamar was the least favorite of this set, I'm still glad we pulled it. Pulled art. Rainbow full art. Nice. And then we got Polteageist. It's promo card. Alright, that's about it, ladies and gentlemen. But yeah, thanks for coming, and be sure to subscribe. I got more packs coming in, so yeah, see you guys then. Peace.